What is going on, my pressure washers and service industry folks? Today I have a special lesson on performance pay. So if you are trying to get out of the truck and scale your business, one of the secrets to me being able to scale a $2 million pressure washing company was performance pay. When guys are on performance pay, they know that the quicker they finish the job, the more money per hour they're gonna make. And so you don't have to stand over them. So it's very important to have a solid foundation of paying these guys performance pay so that you can get off the truck and generate more jobs. So that's the goal of this, is to get off the truck, generate more jobs, and then you can kind of build yourself out, okay? So let's go ahead and dive into it. This is a free download. So I have dummy-proofed performance pay for you. And what you're going to do is you're going to download this. The link will be in the description. Just fill out your information, it'll automatically text over to you. You're gonna download this, you're going to print it off, and you're gonna start tracking performance pay and paying your guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive into this. This is a game changer for anybody trying to get off the truck. And let's go ahead and dive in. So what we have here is the performance pay spreadsheet. I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then our weekly totals. So I have absolutely dummy proof this. Again, you're going to print it out, leave it in your truck. If you're working with a helper right now, this is gonna be great. Let me explain something really, really quick. I try to keep my payroll under 25%. So the max we will pay out is 20%, and then the workers' comp, the payroll taxes, that pushes it up an extra 5%, maxing us out at around 25%, give or take. Okay, so you're gonna wanna figure out what percent do you wanna pay your guys. We have a higher average ticket price, so which means a lower percentage that we're gonna pay out. If you have a low ticket price, you're probably gonna have to pay out a higher percentage, okay, so that it works out. You gotta be competitive in your area, so you're gonna have to do some math on that. Our guys, our tickets are, $1,500, $1,800 a piece. The guys make, a lead tech makes about 10 to 12%. So he's making, 25, 30 bucks an hour. So to keep competitive, so you're gonna wanna do that math, all right? So let's go ahead and dive right on into this. Again, you're gonna fill this out daily. I have absolutely dummy proof this for you. So I did a example here. My name is Corey. My base hourly rate, because we have to show the federal government that we pay these guys a minimum hourly rate. So my base rate is $15 per hour. I worked 8 hours today. So 15 times 8 equals $120 of base pay. Now, the job I did was $2,000. And my percentage of that is 10%. So 2,000 times 10% equals a $200 commission. So essentially I made $200 today doing that job. Now this is where the base pay comes in. So we're going to then put in what was my commission. It was $200, sorry, 200. My base commission was $200. Minus my base hours, meaning I have a leftover bonus of $80, okay? So now the way my check, when I get my check, let's say this was my week's check, right? When I get my check is going to read like this. It's going to read, my hourly pay was $120. My bonus was $80. I also got a $25 tip on this job, making my total pay for the day $225. Very, very simple math, okay? This is dummy proof for you. Now what you would want to do is take each employee and fill out this section down here with the weekly totals. You're gonna add it all up. You're gonna add up all their bonuses. You're going to add up any deductions that you had. Did they break equipment due to negligence? Did they break something at the customer's house? You're going to put the deductions in here, and you're going to come up with the new bonus. And the reason I put that in there is because it is legal. It is actually legal to hold deductions out of a bonus. That's the whole beauty of performance pay. So I can legally hold the bonus, right? But I cannot hold the base pay, and I cannot hold the tips, okay? I only can hold the base pay, the bonus, okay? So now we come up with the new bonus. So you could deduct that completely to zero if you needed to, okay? I typically don't, if it's a big thing, I will carry it over the 2-week period, but after the 2-week period, we pay every 2 weeks. So if there was a big, if they cost me $200 and their bonus over 2 weeks was $200, they get 0 bonus, okay? But I do not carry it more than that. So I give them the benefit of the doubt. It's washed out every 2 weeks. This is set up for weekly. So that's just something you'll want to determine. You kind of want to like pay attention to your state's laws, etc. Okay, so there we have the new bonus. We're going to add the total bonuses for the week to the total hours for the week, the total hourly pay, the total tips, and then we generate the employee's weekly pay. Okay, so that is a breakdown of performance pay. This is magical. This is gonna do a lot of things for your business. It's going to allow you to get off of the truck. It is going to allow you to not have to stand over those guys. Here's one other thing, is most pressure washers are not paying themselves a cent, okay? So if you are a pressure washer in the truck and you just have a helper, you pay yourself that percentage, okay? And you're going to track yourself in here and you are going to get yourself paid from doing the job. Now, if you sold the job, I want you to track your sales in here and pay yourself a commission. Typically 10 to 15% range. We have higher tickets, so we're like 10 to 12, okay? I wouldn't go over 15% commission, okay? So if you sell the job, give yourself 10 to 15% commission. If you do the job, give yourself another 10% commission, okay? That's your check for the week. You better live off of that and stack the rest of the cash in the bank account, okay? Now, the other thing that's going to do for you is it's going to help you determine, can I afford a new employee when the time comes? And you're gonna have the proof right here. You've been paying yourself all along. So yeah, I can afford that lead tech, I can afford that sales guy, whatever. Now, here's one other thing that I want to mention to you. If you have a small job and it only requires one person, I allow my guys to take the entire commission, which is 20%. So as a small business owner, if you are hiring a helper, what I would do on a small job is tell the helper, hey, 20% goes to you, you're gonna do this job by yourself. While you're doing that, I'm gonna go litter the neighborhood with street signs, clip flyers, and door hangers, and I'm gonna knock doors and try and get us another job, okay? So that is why performance pay is so advantageous and it's so crucial to help you get off the truck. All right, guys, thanks so much. If you love this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel so that you are updated with the next fire video. Have a wonderful day. See you later.